Hey, good morning, Bill. Hi, Alex. So, SeaBear, for every product that you buy, SeaBear Wild Salmon, they donate one to the troops. I'm here with Mike Mondello, right?
That's correct.
Oh, that's perfect. Good. All right, you're the CEO. What are we doing right now? And tell me about how we're treating the troops.
Okay, so this is a program we've been doing for a few years now. Customers buy one pouch of these ready-to-eat salmon. We match it 100%.
100%.
If they buy 5 pouches, we match it with 5. They buy 30, we match it with 30. And then we fill up boxes. And when we have enough to send to a troop, which is 60 pouches, we send it off. And as you can see, we've sent over 20,000 of them so far to troops serving all around the world. It's a really cool program. We hear back from troops all the time about how much they love it. This is somebody who sent us a flag that flew over Iraq as a thank you to us.
That's pretty neat.
It's just so great from the generosity of our customers.
And again, that you guys match everything that people buy when they buy one pouch, they donate one. Now, where do you find these troops, and how do you know where to send them to?
So people can nominate a troop. Anybody's welcome to do that at any time.
Where can we nominate?
They can call, so they can go on our website, SeaBear.com. And we've had times where we've had more pouches than troops that we can supply. And it's become so popular now that people have, we've actually got more nominations than we have pouches to fill. So we're looking for more nominations, more purchases that we can match as we head into the holidays.
Which I would imagine you're going to get pretty busy come the holidays, because the whole point of SeaBear Wild Salmon is that you guys put them in pouches so then that way they don't go bad. You can preserve them for a while.
That's right. This will ship all the way to Afghanistan, this particular one.
And then once we get to this box is getting a little heavy. I totally should have had you be the muscle. There we go.
Right?
And then you even put in one of these letters too. It's from Mike himself, but I love this line in particular. It says, "We hope you all enjoy the enclosed salmon as a taste of the Northwest and a very small token of thanks and gratitude from all of us for your service to our great country." So this is an amazing thing that you guys are doing. Again, not just you,
that our customers are doing.
That you're, see, look, he's not even doesn't want to take credit for it. Again, if we want to nominate a troop that can receive one of these packages, where do we go?
SeaBear.com.
And if I don't want to drive all the way up to Anacortes, because let's say I live down in Puyallup, you're telling me that I might not have to drive all the way to Anacortes.
You don't. Go to the Made in Washington store at Pike Place Market. We're in the middle of remodeling it, and it'll be ready at the end of this month, and we'll be doing this program as well as our whole salmon program there.
Yes, and if you missed it earlier this morning, we did some salmon tastings. Like, how you can go and get beer flights. They got salmon flights. You can do that both at the Anacortes location and soon to be at the Pike Place location. So again, if you want to check that out, make sure you do so. Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
This is awesome. Guys, back on over to you.